Stop, do not skip this, because the grimy, scratched 1985 D quarter you've ignored for years could be hidden treasure worth big money. I'm talking hundreds, thousands, and in rare, jaw-dropping cases, life-changing value that turns pocket change into a collector's dream. Here's the mystery that makes this coin special. 1985 was a workhorse year at the Denver Mint. Millions upon millions of quarters were struck fast, loud, and non-stop. The presses were tired. Dies cracked. Layers failed. Coins slipped through that were never meant to exist. And because there was nothing flashy about the date, no silver, no commemorative buzz, people spent them hard. For decades. That's why the valuable ones today often look old, dark, and downright ugly. That old and dirty look. It's exactly how the best discoveries are made. Let me wake you up with the first shock. High-grade 1985 D quarters are surprisingly scarce. Most were circulated into the ground. When a sharply struck example graded MS-67 finally appeared at a major U.S. auction, it sold for over $1,200, and collectors weren't done fighting for it. Same coin you've handled 100 times. That's big money created by condition alone. Now reset your attention, because condition is only the door. Flip the coin over. Look at the eagle. Focus on the wings and tail feathers. Do you see weakness? Blurring? Or strange raised lines? Some 1985 D quarters show dramatic die cracks and die breaks on the reverse. Strong, visible cracks, especially those that run through the eagle, can bring $100 to $500, and premium examples go higher. What looks like damage to most people is hidden treasure to collectors. Now check the front. Look closely at Liberty and In God We Trust. On certain 1985 D quarters, you'll notice double die characteristics, letters that look thick, split, or shadowed. Washington's eye and jawline may show doubling as well. These aren't everyday finds. Authenticated double die examples have sold for $300 to $1,500, depending on strength and condition. Yes, even circulated ones can bring real big money. Reset again, because this is where people make a painful mistake. Look at the edge. A normal quarter shows a copper stripe. If that stripe is missing, or one side of the coin looks coppery, thin, or unusually smooth, stop. That could be a missing clad layer error. These are among the most dramatic modern quarter errors, and collectors go wild for them. 1980s missing clad quarters have sold at auction for $2,000 to over $6,000. Old. Dirty. Still life-changing value. Now run your finger around the rim. Is it wide and flat, with no raised edge? That's not wear, it could be a broad strike. Broad-struck 1985 D quarters, where the coin spreads outward because the collar failed, have sold for $400 to $2,000, depending on how dramatic the spread is. One example pulled from a bankroll crossed 4 figures at auction. The finder nearly spent it. Here's another attention reset, this one hides in plain sight. An off-center strike. If the design is pushed to one side and there's a blank crescent, but the full date, 1985, is visible, do not clean it, do not bend it, do not spend it. Off-center 1985 D quarters have sold from $500 to over $3,000, with extreme examples climbing even higher. That's big money for what most people think is a mint mistake worth nothing. Now let's talk about surface texture. Does your coin look strangely smooth in places? Missing letters? Weak details that don't match wear? That could be a grease-filled die error. When grease clogged the die, parts of the design never struck. Dramatic grease errors where portions of the motto or date vanish have sold for $300 to $1,000. Collectors love bold mistakes, especially from Denver. Here's the emotional truth. Most people think value comes from age or shine. In reality, value comes from rarity, mistakes, and survival. The 1985 D quarter survived because nobody cared. That's why the rare ones are still out there. Here's your rapid-fire checklist, lock this in. Date, 1985. Mint mark, D. Front, look for doubled letters and facial details. Reverse, check for die cracks on the eagle. Edge, missing or uneven copper stripe. Rim, wide, flat, or distorted. Strike, off-center or spread. Surface, missing details or smooth patches. Condition, sharp details equal big money. Every one of these details can turn an old and dirty quarter into hidden treasure. And here's the part that should give you chills. Thousands of these coins are still in circulation. Still in jars. Still in drawers. Still ignored by people who have no idea what they're holding. Waiting for someone who knows what to look for. So when this video ends, don't rush. Don't assume. Check every 1985 D quarter you own, especially the ugly ones. Because the next life-changing value discovery won't come from a shiny display case, it'll come from something everyone else overlooked.